Believe it or not, this is a form of meditation. It's a drawing meditation. I call these little babies blue grids, but they're not always blue. Sometimes they're black, sometimes they're red, but they're mostly blue in my pictures. The color really doesn't matter. I've drawn them in so many of my pictures, and they work so well as a meditation because they require your full concentration. You have to focus to draw them in a straight line. And as you're drawing, you're using your mind to draw them evenly in size. You're also spatially calculating how many fit in the line before you get to the cross point. At the same time, you're trying as hard as you can to draw each one as round as the one before. And it's weird because they look like simple little circles, which is what they actually are. But all these things are going on in your mind as you're drawing them. Or if you don't focus, basically they look like crap, but that's okay. That's how we learn sometimes. And here's the magic. This is the meditation bit. What this focus and attention does is it puts the brakes on your thoughts. It brings you right into the present moment. It stops worry. It stops your mind from wandering. It stops your background programs from running. And this is retraining your brain. And when you do it repeatedly, you've just discovered a new fun way to meditate, to press pause on your mind. And you also get a really cool picture at the end of it. If you're curious how to mindfully draw, check out my website and I'll be happy to teach you how to do it and exactly why I find it so powerful.